Hi, welcome to TMN's daily digital news series. Now, this is a new series that I'm starting from today. So, I think the video will get posted on the 8th of January. So, we are just 1 week from the new year, and I hope your new year resolutions are coming along well. In today's video, and before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you already haven't, and that's my new book, which is the 1 lakh formula. So if you are a digital marketer and if you are planning to make at least 1 lakh or more in a month, then I think you should grab the book. It has all my strategies. The link to grab the book is in the description below, so make sure to grab a copy of the book. Well, coming to the topic for today, which is my top 3 ROI generating digital media sources for 2018. Now I know we are in 2019, so every year I go and study the data. I study everything that we did in our company, specifically for our businesses, to analyze what really worked for us, what did not, what went well, what mistakes did we do, which platforms, which sources performed the best, and which sources really tanked and bombed, and the mistakes that we made. So in this video, I want to reveal the top three sources that made us a lot of money and cash and generated a lot of sales. For those of you who are still new to digital marketing, if you're confused what is a digital media channel, so here goes. Well, we have a lot of avenues in digital marketing, right? You could generate traffic and sales through Facebook, through any other social media channel, Snapchat, Instagram, and all the other channels. Or you could run Google ads, or you could do SEO, you could do a lot of other organic things, email marketing, SMS marketing, mobile marketing, WhatsApp marketing, and the list goes on and on. So every different media, every different social media platform is called as a different media channel, right? Just like newspaper is one media channel, television is one media channel, radio is one media channel. So every avenue, every source on the internet is a different media channel. So at the end of the year, we sit back in the company and analyze which were our top 3 media channels. And for 2018, the number 1 spot goes to... Any guesses? Try. It's not a social media channel, surprisingly. Guess? Well, it's email marketing. So if we were to broadly distribute our revenue for 2018, email marketing won hands down. And if I was to broadly take a percentage of the total revenue and attribute it to email marketing, it's close to 65%. That is huge, right? So for all the people who say that email marketing is dead and messenger marketing is the future of email marketing, it may be, right? It's not proven yet. And for people who say that messenger marketing will take over email marketing, well, I think you should think again. If your email marketing is not generating substantial revenue for you, it's not that people don't open the emails or people don't read the emails. It's simple. Your emails are boring. That's the bottom line, right? So and I think I recently read a study from CMI as well, and they still attribute 70+% of total internet sales to email marketing, which is a clear indicator that email marketing is not dead or it's not dying anytime soon. When I hear people say that email marketing is dead, it's like saying that, hey, YouTube is dead, people don't watch videos anymore. Of course people do, right? People spend a lot of time on YouTube. But you know what? If your views are going down, if people are not engaged with your videos, there's only one reason. Probably you're missing the entertainment factor, or your content is getting plain brand boring, right? It's not that people are moving out of YouTube, people are still consuming as much or even more content on YouTube. It's just that they have too many options, and probably other people are more entertaining and more educative in the content. So it's time to rethink your content marketing strategy for YouTube. And similarly, if your email marketing is not generating substantial revenue, I feel it's time to redesign your email marketing game, the content for your email. That needs to be changed. And here are a few tips that you could take forward in your email marketing game. I mean, the big tip is entertain people. and great narratives and great stories is what will get your email marketing ROI going up, right? And I know from all the digital channels, I feel email marketing is that one place where you have the liberty to go really deep and tell people stories that could move them towards your products and services and entertain them and educate them. Of course, blog is other avenue, but you know what, the biggest challenge with the blog is to get people to come to your blog, right? Because we have so many options today, so many distractions today. So to get people to go from whatever they are doing to your blog is a challenge, but your email just goes in their inbox, and if you are entertaining them, I don't think they would mind just giving you a click, and probably if your content is engaging on that day, they would go on to read. So number one source for us was email marketing. So you know what, time to take your email marketing game ahead in 2019. And I also feel that to a large extent our email marketing will drive in more than 65% revenue in 2019, and we are working towards making our email marketing much better than what we did in 2018. It was really awesome in 2018. We get compliments all the time about our emails, but I'm sure it's going to get so much better in 2019. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, I started a 1-year 360 email inspiration series. It's a series to inspire people to live their life better, to become smarter, to make better decisions, to know themselves better, to understand human being psychology and all the strategies, the books that they should read. And if you want to be part of it, drop in a comment and we'll add you to the email series. Alright, so now it's time to reveal the number 2 second spot, and that goes to hands down Facebook. Well, Facebook has generated tons and tons of leads for us in the last couple of years. Of course, we paid Facebook, but it's been the best lead generation platform for us, and purely in terms of lead generation. The costing has gone up a little bit. Earlier we've generated leads for about 40-45 rupees, and now we generate leads at about 65 rupees, so it's gone up by 20 rupees. But still, Facebook continues to be the best freaking platform for us. Now for all the digital marketers that are going that, oh, that's a lot of money, 65 rupees per lead, but you know what, I generate leads for 20 rupees, 22 rupees. Wait a minute, you generate leads at 22 rupees by offering something free, right? You run lead magnet ads, you give a free guide, a free course, a free this, a free that. When I generate leads at 65 rupees, that's not for a free thing. Everybody coming in at 65 rupees, they know that it's for a paid course or a paid service or a paid product. I never do anything free apart from the one free course ad that we ran, which was for the free Facebook online course. We've never run ads or generated leads by offering anything free, because I feel people come in with a different expectations when they come in for a free course or free something, and it takes a longer time to convert them from a free to a paid product, and then you have to have a lot of tripwire offers, low cost offers, and then other low cost offers, and slowly you need to ascend them ahead. But that's not a game I like to play. I like to bring in people with a clear expectation that, hey, if you're coming to us, we are going to charge, but when you come to us, we'll deliver you an amazing product, right? We'll take care of you. So that's how we generate leads. So our conversions are way higher from a lead to a customer, because people know that there's something that they have to pay in exchange of getting access to our products, our courses, our services. So 65 rupees for that is hands down awesome. Right, so Facebook is our top second ROI generating source for us. So let's talk about the third top ROI generating digital media channel in 2018. Alright, so do you have any guesses? What do you think? I don't think you would have expected that. Some of you may. Well, it's Instagram, and I'm sure some of you may have guessed it, but here's the best part about Instagram. All the ROI that came in through Instagram was just through organic channel, right? We never spent money advertising on Instagram. The total amount spent on Instagram ads in 2018 was not more than 10,000 rupees. And if you think of it, that's not even 1% of the total ad spend that we did in 2018. So everything was organic. What really worked for us in 2018 was stories. So I think towards the second half of 2018, I literally literally stopped kind of posting on the Instagram account, and all I was doing was stories. I was doing about on an average 5 to 6 stories a day, and my stories revolve around things that are happening in my life, behind the scenes stuff, stuff that I'm doing, stuff that I'm reading, education, what people should be doing to get better. So education, entertainment, behind the scene, that's exactly what was my stories, what was put out in the stories, using relevant hashtags, and that really worked well. My stories started on an average with getting about 500 odd views a day, and eventually they bumped up to 4,000 views per story. So that's a lot of traction. 4,000 people consuming each story is big deal. So Instagram has been a clear-cut winner for us for our B2C products, and it's generated the maximum ROI, the third top ROI generating digital media channel for TMN in 2018. Oh, and I should give a special mention to LinkedIn. Right, so LinkedIn came really like neck and neck close to Instagram in terms of lead, sales, and ROI. Well, we have up about 25,000, 30,000 approx connections on LinkedIn, all targeted business owners and professionals who are who probably may be keen on our services, or doing a digital marketing program for business owners. So again, the entire LinkedIn strategy is completely organic. It's given right in my book, right? So grab my book and you'll understand the exact LinkedIn strategy that we've used. Using the exact same strategy organically, without spending money, just building our connections and communicating and creating great content for our LinkedIn community. We've been able to generate really good ROI for TMN, get a lot of new clients, and get things moving forward. So special mention for LinkedIn. It was like neck and neck with Instagram, and I think this year LinkedIn and Instagram will have a really close tussle and close fight. And I know my personal focus has been Instagram, and I'm really active. If you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram and check out my stories. I think they're really awesome. At least that's what people say, and I'm sure you'll find value there. So LinkedIn will be a big contender this year for the top 3 sources. So what do I predict for 2019 for the top 3 sources? I feel Facebook, email marketing will win hands down and probably will retain the top position. Can't be moved. Number 2, Facebook ads. That's again a big source of lead generation for us, and I think it somehow is the core platform through which we generate leads, and which are then distributed across various digital channels, and from there the conversion happens. So I think Facebook will continue to hold the number 2 spot, but number 3 spot is a close tussle between Instagram and LinkedIn. Right, so these were TMN's top 3 digital media channels, ROI generating DM channels in 2018. I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know in the comments below what were your top 3 digital media ROI generating channels for 2018, and what do you think about 2019. And remember this, I've told this in the past, do not rely only on one source of lead generation. If you're running a business, if you're doing digital marketing for somebody, if you depend only on one source of lead generation, your business can be fucked overnight. Right? Because what if that platform or channel changes the policy? What if they don't like you? You're gone. Right? So make sure to have at least 2 sources of lead generation in your business or your digital marketing strategy. Well, I look forward to talking to you tomorrow in TMN's daily digital marketing show. My name is Karan. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.